Hey music makers, welcome back to Dudes Tech. In today's video, we're exploring the best MIDI keyboard controller available for your home studio. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the M-Audio. Let's get started. Product feature. Featuring 32 velocity-sensitive semi-weighted mini keys, it allows for expressive performance and precise control over virtual instruments on both Mac and Windows platforms. Its USB-powered design ensures easy connectivity without the need for additional power sources, making it ideal for mobile production environments. Offers smart auto mapping to popular DAWs like Ableton Live, Cubase, and Logic through an OLED display, streamlining your creative workflow. Supports native control standard integration for seamless access to native instruments presets and includes 3 curated Complete 15 select bundles. Includes 8 RGB backlit MIDI assignable drum pads with note repeat functionality, perfect for beat production and triggering soundboard samples. Equipped with 4 assignable knobs, buttons, and faders that provide tactile control over virtual instruments, effect plugins, and DAW parameters. Features smart chord and smart scale modes, an arpeggiator, pitch wheels, and a software suite including Ableton Live Lite and MPC Beats. Pros. This controller feels like a true partner in your musical journey. Its compact size means you can capture inspiration wherever it strikes, while the semi-weighted keys offer a professional touch that honors your creativity. The auto mapping saves you from technical headaches, letting you stay in the flow and focus entirely on the heart of your music and your unique sound. Cons. While the mini keys are incredibly portable and responsive, artists with larger hands might find the layout a bit tight during complex performances. Additionally, mastering the deep customization options takes a little bit of patience, though the creative freedom you gain is certainly worth the initial learning curve. Final thoughts. You deserve a tool that understands your passion and simplifies the technical side of making art. This keyboard isn't just gear, it's an invitation to explore new sounds and express your unique voice without limits. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, it provides the reliability and soul you need to bring your musical visions to life with confidence and joy. Your next masterpiece is just a few notes away. Check the price link in the description, subscribe to Dudes Tech, and like this video. Thanks for watching.